In less than 3 minutes, let's talk about the basic stock market terms and their definitions. Before I go into it, I want to make sure you understand the definition of a security in the stock market. A security is a tradable financial asset, and that could be your stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, or other types of investments you can buy or sell. When you buy or sell a security, you have 4 options. You have the market order, limit order, stop loss order, and stop limit order. A market order is when you execute a trade order at the current market price. So let's say you want to buy a share of the Roblox stock and it's currently trading at $120 a share, and that's the price you pay for immediately as soon as you click on the execute button. A limit order is when you buy or sell a security at the certain price you want to execute a trade. So again, using Roblox for example, the price is $120, but you're only willing to buy at $115. Then you use the limit order to dictate what stock price you want to pay for Roblox. A stop loss order is different from the market order or the limit order because it is designed to limit your loss on the security position. Let's say you own a share of the Beyond Meat stock, currently trading at $75 a share, and you can place a stop loss sell order on the Beyond Meat stock at $70 a share to curb your losses. When the stock price drops below $70, then the share will be sold at the best available price. Using the same example with the Beyond Meat stock, a stop limit order is when you set to sell the stock if the price drops below $70 a share, but you don't want to sell it for anything less than $69 a share. You can place a stop limit order at $70 and a limit price of $69. Once the stock price drops below $70, the limit order is triggered, but it will only execute if the price is above $69 price limit. You can also choose to limit your order for a day or up to 60 calendar days. If you choose the day order and the price doesn't meet your threshold, then the order will be expired at the end of the trading day. If you choose the 60-day order, or also known as the good till canceled GTC order, the order will expire in 60 calendar days if the price doesn't meet your threshold. For example, if you want to buy 5 shares of Zoom stock with the limit order of let's say $200 and you set it for a day, but the share price never drops to $200 and let's say it just stayed at $210, then the order is canceled at the end of the trading day. If you set it to 60 days, then your order to buy 5 shares of $200 worth of Zoom stock will remain open for 60 days and you have a better chance of seeing the stock drop to the price that you want to buy at. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out these 2 3-minute videos as well as the new fire video coming out tomorrow, Sunday at 9 a.m. Have a good one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more fire videos.